My name is Garrett Swindell. I'm a tech marketer for Blackbox Corporation. Today I want to introduce you to our newer KVM product that we've just recently launched. The product is called the ServSwitch Freedom. The ServSwitch Freedom is simply a keyboard and mouse switch. No video signal goes through the switch whatsoever like your standard KVM switches. The part number for this is a KV0004A. The ServSwitch Freedom can be used in many applications. Just to name a few, you can use it in a command and control application, a banking application, or just a trader application. And you'll see why here just in a moment. What I want to show you here also is how to configure the ServSwitch Freedom so you can duplicate your exact layout that you have in your office or your desk or wherever this application is going to be placed. So I have the software installed on this computer, and it's called Glide and Switch. Glide and Switch is the technology used to allow the ServSwitch Freedom to simply switch ports just by moving the mouse from left to right and right to left. What I want to do with the configuration program is replicate what I see here on my desk. I have 4 monitors on my desk right now. You'll notice that I'm adding some colored boxes on the screen. The red box is monitor 1, the green box is monitor 2, the blue box is monitor 3, and the yellow box is monitor 4. And the next thing I want to do is double click on each box. For monitor 1, I want to enter the resolution that I'm using for computer 1. In this case, it's going to be a 1920 by 1200. Monitor 2 is going to be using a resolution of 1024 by 768. Monitor 3 is also using 1024 by 768. The last monitor is using a resolution of 1280 by 1024. You'll notice that these resolutions are not alike, going from monitor to monitor. You'll see in the application, though, that these boxes almost look aligned, like the resolutions don't really matter. Well, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is just configure it like your desk, and the switch will do the rest. Once you have your layout, you simply click on the Download the Switch button, and the switch will be flashed. You'll know your ServSwitch Freedom is in switch and glide mode when the LEDs on the front of the switch are illuminating from left to right. Once the switch is flashed, you can simply move from port to port. Currently my mouse is on computer 1 or monitor 1. I can move it all the way up to computer 4 just by moving the mouse right. I can move it back just by moving left. And you'll see when the mouse hits the border of the display or the monitor, it will automatically switch. When I make the switch, my keyboard automatically follows it. So if I press the Windows button on this computer, you'll see that my Start window pops up. If I go to this computer and press the Windows button, my Start menu pops up. Here I can show you where you can run several applications at once. On this computer, I'm going to be playing a game of solitaire. If I need to show a presentation next, I can simply move my mouse over to display 2 and show a chart. The chart is actually going to represent data that I'm going to show on monitor 3. All I need to do is move the mouse over and begin my presentation. If I need to show a video during my presentation, I can move the mouse from monitor 3 to monitor 4 and begin the video. If I need to come back to play a little bit of solitaire, I just need to move my mouse left. And you'll see it's on monitor 3, monitor 2, monitor 1. The Glide and Switch software does it all. And once again, you don't need any software installed on the target machines. So what I'm going to do here now is just go over to display 4. I'm going to close out my video, go to computer 2 with display 2. I'm going to close out my Excel graph my Excel spreadsheet, back to computer 3 or display 3. My presentation's over on display 3, so I'm simply going to close out the application and come back and tie up my solitaire game. This concludes the demo of the ServSwitch Freedom and the Glide and Switch software. If you have any questions on the ServSwitch Freedom, you can visit our website at www.blackbox.com, or you can call our free 24-hour tech support. Thanks for watching.